Welcome to all. Today we will study about one of the important subject of introductory biology. The course code of this subject is AGRI 1007. Under this course we will study about origin of life. The objective of this course is to study about the origin of life in. Dear student, you will know about the theory related how life was originated. Several attempts have been made by many scientists and they have tried to explain how the origin of life was started in this earth. Theories which offer their own explanation on the possible mechanism of origin of life. Few theories are: first is the special creation, then spontaneous generation, theory of biogenesis, theory of biochemical evolution, theory of panspermia, deep sea hydrothermal vent theory. These theories are based on the experiment and some are assumptions. Theory of special creation. All the different forms of life created by God. Hindu concept, Lord Brahma created living world in one stroke. Christian and Islamic beliefs, God created this universe, plants, animals, human beings in all 6 days. Three main postulates are: first, all different kinds of animals and plants were created at once. Second, all organisms were created in the same form in which they exist today. Their bodies and organs have been designed to fully meet the needs to the environment. It has no scientific basis. It is, you can say, it is the spiritual, based on the spiritual concept. These theory of spontaneous living things originated spontaneously from inanimate object. It is also called as abiogenesis or biopoiesis. This theory is supported by Aristotle, Epicurus, von Helmont. They believe insects arise from dew, fish and frogs from mud, fly maggots from meat, and they have done some kind of scientific research. Based on this research, they conclude that the insect arise from dew and fish and frogs from mud and fly maggots from meat. So ready uh, develop a kind of model or a experiment in a jar. Based on this experiment, he concluded. But this theory is not accepted. Some scientists have refused this concept. Those are Francesco Redi, Spallanzani, and Louis Pasteur. They disproved this theory. They have given some other theories, and the Pasteur experiment is based on, they have used a neck-shaped flask and boil, and he put a few days and there is no growth. But once they have removed this neck of the flask, there he found there is some microbial growth. Theory of penicillin. This theory is proposed by Richter in 1865 and supported by Aryans. Life had come to Earth from other planets of the universe in the form of resistant spores. British astronomer Fred Hoyle and Chandra Wixmermangley proposed interstellar dust and comets contains organic compound. Comets, which are largely made up of water ice, carry bacterial life across galaxy and protect it from radiation damage along the way. The 2005 Deep Impact mission of Comet Tempel 1 discovered a mixture of organic and clay particles inside the comet. Dr. Richard H. Hoover, an astrobiologist with NASA Marshall Space Flight Center, published a research paper on March 4, 2011, and he claimed that have found fossil evidence for cyanobacteria is an extremely rare class of meteorites called CI1 carbonaceous chondrites. Some other theories also there. Theory of eternity of life. Life only changes its form, but it is never created. It has no origin, has always existed. Theory of catastrophism. Modification of the theory of spatial creation states that there have been several creations of life by God, each preceded by catastrophe resulting from some kind of geological disturbance, since each catastrophe completely destroys the existing life. Each new creation consisted of life from the different from that of the previous ones. Main supporters French scientists Georges Cuvier and Orbigny. Vitalism: only living tissue, by virtue of possessing some life forces, can produce organic compound. This theory is supported by uh, Berzelius and Burgosson. They produce of acetic acid from its element by the German chemist Hermann Kolbe in 1845 disprove vitalism. Theory of biochemical evolution, also known as uh, materialistic theory or physico-chemical theory, proposed by independently by a Russian scientist A.I. Oparin in 1923 and an English scientist J.B.S. Haldane in 1928. According to this theory, life first arose from a collection of chemical substances by a progressive series of reactions. Second, early Earth surface and atmosphere radically different from today's condition. Then the primitive Earth atmosphere reducing type. Then solar radiation and lighting must have been the cheap energy source for these chemical reactions. The organic compounds gradually accumulated in ocean and formed a hot primordial soup or hot dilute soup, also known as Darming warm little pond. So this is the scientific, and this theory has some other point as well. Operon proposed that the proteinoids, nucleoprotein, and other organic and inorganic molecule aggregates and precipitated in sea, forming organized colloid aggregates called coacervates. The coacervates were able to absorb the assimilate organic compound from the environment in a way reminiscent of metabolism. They divided by budding. The Operon considered that the coacervates gave rise to primitive cell or eubionins. Sidney Fox obtained proteinoid microspheres by heating a mixture of dry amino acid, black and white, 130 to 180 degrees Celsius, and later cooling them in water. It was similar to cocoid bacteria. If you will see the image, then you will easily understand how Covey cervates is there, how microspheres is there, and the size of the Covey cervates and the microspheres. So this is the model of the Urey and Miller experiment, how he was started. He is using seawater and then given the heat, and it come to the vapor, and it will come in a chamber. There is a two cathode. He will one is uh, 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 positive and one is negative, or you can say cathode, cation and anion is there. Then electric here he spark the electric energy, and then hot water will in, hot water will be out and cool water will be in, so it will maintain the temperature of the experiment, and ultimately some kind of physiochemical is stored here. Drawbacks of Urey and Miller's experiment: by examining rocks dated to be 3.7 billion years old, geologists determined that Earth had an oxygenic atmosphere. Oxygen is an oxidizing agent and would inhibit chemical evolution. Experiment produced a mixture of right-handed and left-handed amino acid, but in nature, left-handed ones predominates. Now it is thought that the atmosphere of early Earth was not rich in methane and ammonia, essential ingredients in Miller experiment. So deep sea hydrothermal also there. Recently, some scientists put forth a hypothesis that life originated near a deep sea hydrothermal vent. Black smoke hydrothermal vent, first discovered vent, produced extremely hot water, that is 350 degrees Celsius, not conducive to microchemical evolution. Lost City hydrothermal field, that is alkaline vent in mid-Atlantic Ocean, discovered by Cayley and other in 2000. Much cooler temperature of water is 70 to 90 degrees Celsius. They are porous, honeycomb with cavities. The cavities are at a scale of 1 micron, the same size at a living cell. The cavity wall are saturated with iron, sulfur, and mineral catalyst. So this is the chemical reaction, how S2 plus CO2 is equal to simple organic molecule CH4 formate and acetate. Then serpentization, chemical reaction between seawater and mantle rocks, which contain large amounts of the mineral, that is olivine, Mg and Fe silicate. Water S2 was reduced by Fe2, S2 and S release. At the vent ocean interface, surface precipitate iron, nickel, etc. Then it transition metal sulfides. They catalyze S2 dependent reaction of CO2 to CO. CO plus S2S in the presence of NIS and FES, CS3, CO, SCS3, that is methyl thioester of acetic acid. These activities, or you can say these activated acetic acid derivatives serve as a starting material for subsequent exergonic synthetic steps. Vent pores concentrated large molecule like nucleotides, formation of RNA, DNA, and proteins. So this is the few reference used. My special thanks to Dembris Benny Daniels sir for such beautiful information he has shared. in the internet platform, and it's really helpful. Thank you very much to all of you.